how to see blocked people on Google Chat. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can see blocked people on Google Chat. So let's get into it. So over here, as you can see, I have this person, and if I want to block him, all I would have to do is hold down on the chat and click on block and report, and just simply click on block, right? There we go, it's blocked. Now, how do I go ahead and see this person? So to do that, just simply click on the hamburger icon at the top left corner, then click on the settings, scroll down at the bottom. You will see you have manage blocked spaces and chats or manage blocked users in chat. Click on the user one. It'll open up in Google and take you over here where you can see you have the blocked users. And if you want to unblock them, all you have to do is click on this X button right here, and they are unblocked. And their chat will also reappear in the main chat section. So that is it. That is how you do it. That is how you see blocked people on Google Chat. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.